In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use referral code in Uber Eats. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your referral details, how to share them with friends, and how to check on the rewards you earn. First, open the Uber or Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. From the home screen, head to the account area. Depending on your app version and region, this might be at the bottom or top corner of the screen. Inside account, look for a section labeled Invite Friends, Referral Program, or Earn Rewards. The wording can vary slightly, but they all take you to the same place, the hub for referrals. If you don't see it immediately, try scrolling a bit or checking any promotions or wallet area, as the referral entry sometimes appears there in certain countries. Once you're in the referral section, the app will display two key items, your unique referral code and a personalized invite link. The code is a short string you can share directly, while the link is the easiest option because it automatically applies your referral details when someone taps it and signs up. Choose the share method that fits your friend best. You can send the link via text message, messenger apps, email, or share it to social platforms. If you prefer, you can also place the link in your social bio so people can find it quickly. When your friend uses your invite to sign up and completes the required first order or ride, requirements vary by location and current promotions, both of you may receive rewards or credits. Remind your friend to follow the on-screen prompts during sign-up so the referral is correctly applied. To keep track of how things are going, return to the same referral section at any time. You'll see pending invites, which are people who have your link but haven't finished the requirement yet, and completed referrals, which count toward your rewards. You can also view the credits or cash bonuses you've earned. Referral benefits differ by market, and promotions change periodically, so it's a good idea to check the fine print in the app for details like expiration dates, minimum order amounts, or any limits on how many referrals you can earn. A few quick tips to wrap up. Make sure your app is updated so the referral section appears in the right place. Encourage your friend to use the link before placing their first order, and keep an eye on notifications since the app often alerts you when a reward is applied. That's it. Simple, clear, and ready to use.